Race Team. Lightning McQueen is going to a race. Mac will take him. All the cars get ready. Sarge and Flo bring cans of gas and oil. Guido loads Fillmore with water for McQueen. Guido packs spare tires. Mater drives and suckers. He's excited. The cars drive to the race. It is far. Poor Guido gets tired. Mater gives him a tow. Big trucks rest at the truck stop. The cars keep going. Mater sees McQueen and Mac. There are cars all around them. Reporters ask McQueen about the race. They take many pictures. The racetrack is a busy place. Mac parks in the pit. He watches McQueen practice. Doc puts on his headset. It is time for the race. Mater cheers. He wants McQueen to win. The pit crew is ready. McQueen drives to the starting line. His pit crew yells, "Go! McQueen, go!" The race starts. McQueen is in front. He drives the fastest. McQueen gets tired, but keeps going. Lightning McQueen wins the race! Ka-chow! The race is over. McQueen and Mac head home.